My name is Ray Palmer and I attend the Excel Academy Public Charter Schools. And my career is to be an aviation engineer. I'm a reporter at Patriots Internet Television Show, and today I am down at the NBA 2K Esports Video Tournament at Capital One Arena in Washington, D.C. The Patriots Technology Training Center will be hosting a summer camp on esports when the students will not only compete in video game tournaments, but they will also learn about STEM careers in the industry. Would you like to have a career in esports video gaming industry by testing video games, programming the games, making characters for the games, narrative storytelling, analyzing games data to compete in video tournament, graphic art and 3D character modeling? If you got games, bring it to the Patriots Esports Summer Camp to win a cash gift card and join us in as we will bring you to a live esports video tournament.